And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, we should have beautiful weather for that tonight. So this morning, I want to break down kind of what happened. We had a record-breaking morning. We were down to 38 degrees at the Purdue Airport. Back in 1972 on this date, we got down to 39 degrees, so we broke the low record temperature for the day this morning. A chilly start, but now working up in the mid-60s. 68 Rochester, 70 Monticello, 69 Lafayette, already 80 out in Pine Village, 74 Attica. But I do want to point out the Frankfort station. We've kind of lost contact with that. I think they're going to be fixing that here within the next couple of weeks. But overall, though, we are seeing very clear, nice skies, very blue, wall-to-wall sunshine, high pressure. You could see very clearly with the surface wind right here spinning around this high pressure. That's why it got so cold this morning. That high pressure was right overhead. And when that happens, high pressure air sinks, or air comes down, and that cold air aloft was able to make it down to the surface, which is why we got so cold. We're nice and clear, other than a few cumulus clouds right behind me toward Fort Wayne forming. So we may see a few of those cumulus clouds build this afternoon, but overall a decent, very nice day. If you like the low humidity, at least the below average temperatures, we're about a few degrees below average for those highs, in the mid to upper 70s for highs. Enjoy today while you have it, because it's going to be very hot from here. A pool day for tomorrow, Wednesday, really from here on out. Maybe an isolated sprinkle or two, maybe in the morning and then possibly in the afternoon once we get to the peak heating time of the day, but mid 80s. Looks good for our high temperature tomorrow for your Wednesday. Let's dive right into Futurecast and take this through Thursday night, where we will see some storms. So tonight we'll have some clouds move through. We won't get as cold as this morning. We'll be in the mid-50s tomorrow morning. Might have a few light sprinkles, but we'll be watching the afternoon hours to see if these showers kind of start to form. Very isolated, not a very large coverage, but may have a few sprinkles out of this here for Wednesday afternoon, evening. Those will work out of here, and then we'll be left with a very hot and muggy Thursday, and we will be watching a complex of storms work through. The timing of this may certainly change. We're still quite a ways out from Thursday 7 o'clock when this line of complex of storms will work through, but we could have some damaging winds, maybe some large hail and heavy rain with this, but damaging winds are the main threat. We will get more clear with the weather by Friday. So there's the level 1 risk for that Thursday night, Friday, very early morning, our complex of storms. Notice the slight risk, level 2 to the west. That's where the better ingredients will be for the severe weather, but we can still see maybe a severe storm or two. Again, Thursday night into Friday is when we'll see those potentially severe storms. But look at that temperature for Thursday, 92 degrees, 88 Friday, then warming right back up and getting humid for the taste, 87, 93 on Sunday, Father's Day, very humid there, and we could see heat index values close to the triple digits with air temperatures in the mid 90s for next week.